Hello, and hope you're doing well. On this video we're going to talk about this Eglo Mingo, and this is in black and chrome accents, and it has integrated LEDs, and it says here that is 2400 lumens, 20 watts, and the best part is that it is dimmable. So let's take a further look. It comes with some instructions, hardware. There's a couple of screws in here. It is definitely not heavy at all. It's very light. Here, this goes into your light socket. You have both wires, positive, negative. So basic installation. The black is matte black. There is your chrome. The integrated LEDs are in there. You can't even see that it has any lights in here. And these wheel around so you can get into the right direction. I like the way this looks. You can't even see if there's any LEDs actually in here. The color temperature is 3000, so it's a warm white color. The light doesn't come from the middle, which that's where you expect it to come from. It comes from around here, and it bounces on the white shade. So it gives you a very nice warm effect. I'll put some pictures on how it looks on. For the time being, it looks very cool, modern. It's an easy installation. You can direct the light wherever you want it to. And like I said earlier, the best thing I like about this is that it's dimmable. Hopefully this video helps you in any way. Thank you and enjoy.